Kunal, Assistant Secretary at HackerWorld, and today is my session 2.0 at Microsoft Copilot Studio. So let's start. Introduction to Microsoft Copilot and Copilot Studio. Basically, in Copilot Studio, we can edit and create various things. Let's start. Welcome to the interactive session on Microsoft Copilot and Copilot Studio. Today, we will explore how these innovation AI powered tools can enhance your productivity, creativity, and collaboration across Microsoft 365 applications. Whether you are new to these technologies or looking to unlock their full potential, this session will provide you with a comprehensive understanding and practical tips to get the most out of Copilot and Copilot Studio. Now let understanding the Copilot Studio interface. First, navigation pane. The intuitive navigation pane in Copilot Studio allows you to easily access your documentation, projects, and settings. Basically, in this Copilot Studio, you have a feature navigation pane. In this, you can easily access your documents, projects, and settings. Quickly switch between your work and explore the various features at your fingertips. You don't have to waste your time. You can easily explore things when you are working with your work. Okay. Now, let's second option is conversation canvas. This is very essential and helpful for us. Conversation canvas is the heart of Copilot Studio, where you can engage in natural languages interaction with AI. Assistant ask question, provide prompts, and watch as Copilot generates tailored response and content in real time. In this, basically, you can ask any question to the AI, and you can solve your everything. Integrative workflow. In integrative workflow, Copilot Studio seamlessly integrates with your existing Microsoft 365 application, enabling you to access the manipulate your file, data, project directly within the interface, seamless your workflow and boost productivity. In this, basically, you can also upload your file, data, project, and everything. You can directly do all the thing in one interface. Now, generating content with Copilot. Copilot also gives a feature us to generate things. First, text generation. We can also generate our text using Copilot. Whether you are drafting a report, creating an email, or brainstorming ideas, Copilot can assist you in generating high quality text with you can easily generate text for your work. Simply provide a prompt and Copilot will deliver personalized, engaging content facility to your needs. Okay. Now, next is multimedia creation, which is very helpful to us. Copilot capabilities extend beyond text and code. You can also leverage Copilot to create visualized content such as diagram, chart, and even basic images generation. As we all know, in a PPT or document or any workplace, we also need some creativity to show attractive. So, Copilot also provide us a feature of generating diagrams, chart, and even basic images. So this is very helpful for us. Now, third is code assistance for developers and programmers. Copilot offers powerful code for us. We don't have to go either on other websites. This provides us a very helpful program code. So it is time saving and very helpful. Now, in next slide, collaborative features in Copilot Studio. Co-authoring. Copilot Studio co-authoring features enable seamlessly collaboration with your team. Basically, you can also collaborate with your team in a same document. You don't need any other app or any other website. This provides also a feature to us, which is very helpful. Multiple users can work on the same document simultaneously. Uh, Basically, you all can work together with real-time updates and version control, ensuring everyone is on same page. And it ensures that you all are on the same page, so you don't have to be uh, commenting and feedback. Engaging in meaningful discussion and providing feedback directly with Copilot Studio. Also, when we all are working together on a one page or one thing, then the feedback is very essential. So it is provide this is also provide commenting feedback. Use the intuitive connecting tools to share your thoughts, ask characters, and provide suggestions. Posting. Basically, Copilot also provides that you can suggest anything, you can ask anything, you can give feedbacks, and you can discuss anything. Now, third is contextual assistance. Copilot Studio's AI-powered contextual assistance can help you and your team aligned, stay aligned. Receive real-time suggestions, insights, and relevant information to support your collaboration efforts, streamlining the workflow and promoting efficiency. Basically, Copilot Studio provides a AI-powered contextual assistance which can help your team stay aligned. Okay. Now, integrating Copilot with Microsoft 365. This means to work on a one platform, various features of Microsoft and various applications of Microsoft together on a one site. First, seamlessly integration. Copilot Studio seamlessly integrates with your existing Microsoft 365 application, including Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and more. In this, you can work together on a PowerPoint, Outlook, Work, Excel, and you can do editing, creating anything else, manipulation, various things. Leverage Copilot capabilities directly with the tools you already use, ensuring a consistent and efficient workflow. Next, second is cross-app collaboration. Collaborate on project and documentation across different Microsoft 365 apps with Copilot Studio, serving as a central hub. Share file, exchange feedback, and work together in real time regarding the specific application you are using. You have to use only one app, one website, which is Copilot. Uh, from this, you can use various Microsoft websites, various Microsoft features, and other things which help you so much, and you don't have to waste your time to find out other things on other websites. Third is unified workflow. Streamline your productivity by integrating Copilot Studio in your daily life. Microsoft 365 routine automate tasks, generate content, and access contextual insights within the familiar Microsoft ecosystem, boosting your overall efficiency. In this, basically, you can use your Microsoft 365 routine in your daily life, and you can generate any content which is very essential to nowadays to generate a good content, access contextual insights, other things. Now, productivity tips and tricks with Copilot. First, now, personalized shortcuts. Customize Copilot Studio interface and commands to match your individual preference and workflow. Create personalized shortcuts, bookmarks, and templates to streamline your daily tasks. You can also create a individual interface commands which you use in daily life very much. You can make shortcuts, and this helps you very much. It don't You don't have to waste your time. You can also create some things. Second, contextual insights. Leverage Copilot contextual understanding to receive real-time suggestions, reminders, and information relevant to your current project and task. Also, Copilot provides a feature which is reminder, which means if we forget, then Copilot give you reminder every day, every hour, which help you so much. Stay focused and productivity co-pilot proactive assistant. Okay. Third is collaborative productivity. Utilize co-pilot studio collaboration features to work together with your team more effectively. आप को पायलट स्टूडियो कोलाब्रेशन फीचर्स टू यूज then you can also work with your team effectively. Share documents, provide feedback, and stay aligned on project goals, all within a centralized and intuitive interface. You can also share your documents and you can provide feedback and stay aligned on your project with your team, which helps so much. Now, fourth is content generation. Boost your content creation productivity by leveraging Copilot text generation. Using text generation of Copilot, this is a very helpful feature which provides us by Copilot. Using this, you can create your content and multimedia capabilities. And multimedia, I also told you before that you can generate your pics, images, and everything. Streaming your workflow and free up time for more strategic tasks. In next slide, we are studying about customizing Copilot to your needs. First, preference. Tailor Copilot Studio settings and preference to align with your individual needs and working style. Adjust everything from the user interface to the AI assistant tone and communication style. You can also change your voice into a AI com- AI tone, AI assistant tone, which is very helpful to us who don't want to talk in their language. Then they can also change their language to the AI assistant. Okay. Tailored templates. Create custom templates and workflow within Copilot Studio to streamline your most common tasks. Save time and ensure consistency by leveraging pre-built templates for end reports, presentation, and more. Integrations. In integrations, extend Copilot Studio capabilities by integrating it with other productivity tool and application you use. Connect Copilot to your favorite cloud storage, project management, or communication form for a streamlined end-to-end workflow. In this, basically, you can also store your project, your documentation, your images, and your everything to the cloud storage. It provides it, and this is very helpful for us. And you can manage your project and other things. Okay. Now, in next slide, we are studying about ethical consideration for responsibility AI users. Ethical AI. Copilot AI powered capability come with the responsibility to use them ethically and transparently. Understand the guidelines and best practice for ensuring Copilot is deployed and in a manner that repeats privacy, promotes individually, and avoids bias. Data privacy. Protect the confidentiality and secure of your data when using Copilot Studio. Familiarize yourself with the platform data handling process and the necessary precautions to safeguard sensitive information. If in your project you are using your protective sensitive information, then Copilot also provide a feature data privacy. In this, you can also protect your data very frequently. Okay, this is very helpful for us. Responsibly AI uses. Uh, in this, understand the ensuring that and everything. Real world Copilot uses. Now we are going to see how we can use Copilot in real world. First, content creation. Nowadays, various people create content and earn money. Then, how it can helpful for us? Copilot Studio text generation capabilities can significantly streamline the content creation process. Whether you are writing reports, drafting emails, and brainstorming new ideas, leverage Copilot to jumpstart your writing and define your content with ease. You only have to give your prompt to the Copilot AI assistant, then it convert to your content and it is very helpful for us. You can easily use for a report or for drafting emails, for brainstorming, and to export new ideas. It is very helpful. Second one is developer productivity. For developers, Copilot Studio code generation and assistant features can boost productivity and efficiency. We all know that in our coding or for developers to write a program of 100 line codes is very much time taken. Then Copilot also provide us a feature which is developer productivity. In this we can provide our problem, our statement, our prompt, then it easily provide us a code in a few seconds, which is very helpful for us. And the Copilot will automatically generate the processor code, allowing you to focus on the other level. Okay. Presentation document. Copilot Studio multimedia generate capabilities can streamline the creation of visualizing compiling presentations. Leverage Copilot to generate chart diagram and other visual aids to support your messaging and engage your audience. Uh, in a company or at your workplace, you have to show PPT. Then Copilot also provide a feature which is presentation development. It present it make a PPT or a presentation for you very easily and very effectively, and it also provide us a diagrams, chart, and images, other images which are helpful for to make our PPT productive, productive and attractive, which is very helpful for us. Now, empowering your business with Copilot Studio's Power Platform integration. Let's see. Copilot Studio take your productivity to new heights by seamlessly integrating with Microsoft powerful suite of tools. In this, you can also use empowering to after using Copilot Studio. The powerful integration allow you to connect your data and applications, unlocking the world of untapped potential for your business. In this, you can connect your data and applications from which you can unlock a world. Okay. Now, in next slide, we are looking about connect data and apps with Power Automate and Power Apps. Power Automation. What is Power Automation? Copilot Studio integration with Power Automation enables you to create automated workflows that streamline your business process, easily connect your data source, trigger actions, and build custom solution till, tolerated to your uniqueness needs. Second is Power App. Expand the capability of Copilot Studio by building custom application with Power Apps. Quickly create and deploy business apps that seamlessly integrate with your existing system, empowering your team to work more effectively. Now, third is unless creativity. The combined combination of Copilot Studio and the Power Platform allows you to unleash your creativity and build solutions that go beyond the boundaries of traditional productivity tools. You can use productivity tools and connect the Power Platform and the Copilot Studio, which gives you a very much solution to build your ideas, unlock facilities, and drive innovation with your organization. Now, we are looking forward for the streamlined business reporting with Copilot. First is automated data collection. Copilot Studio Power Platform integration allow you to effortlessly gather data from various sources, ensuring that your reports are always up to date and accurate. Okay. Now, second one is customized report generation. Create a custom copilot that can generate the specific reports you need. In this, basically, copilot is already made your report. You don't have to made it. It gives a feature that it made for us. uh, tailor, tailored to your business requirements, streamline the reporting process and save time. And it also from itself streamline your report and save your time. Okay. Now, in third, streamline reporting workflows. Automate the entire reporting system process from data collection to report generating and distribution. Eliminate the manual task and focus on interpreting the insights instead of creating the report. You don't have to create a report. You only have to automate the reporting process, and it will make for you and yours and save your time. Okay. Now, expand Copilot's capabilities beyond Microsoft 365. Integrate with external apps. Copilot Studio's Power Platform integration allow you to seamlessly connect with a wide range of external applications, breaking down silos and creating a truly integrated ecosystem. Second one is leverage AI powered automation. Combine the power of Copilot Studio AI driven productivity features with the automation capabilities of the Power Platform, unlocking new level of efficiency and productivity. So, if you combine power of Copilot Studio and the automation capabilities, so you can also unlock the efficiency and productivity. Okay. Customize the extent. Tailor Copilot Studio to your unique business needs by developing custom application and workflow using the Power Platform low code, no code developers. Now, fourth one is empowering your team. Equip your team to the tools and capabilities they need to work together, smarter, faster, and more collaborative. You can also do things with your team, and it is very helpful for us, and it is very indeed driving across your organization. Now, in next slide, we are looking forward for the optimizing your sales process with Copilot and Power Automate. First is lead generation. Automate the lead capture and qualification process using AI Power Automate, ensuring no potential opportunities slip through the cracks. Appointment scheduling. Streamline your sales team's calendar management by automating appointment schedule and reminds keeping your dates. Now, third one is CRM integration. Seamlessly integrate your CRM system with Copilot Studio and Power Automation, ensuring your sales data is always up to date and accessible. So, if you forget a date or you are busy in something, then Copilot and Power Automation provide you a feature. This is CRM integration. Okay. Now, fourth one is automated outreach. The leverage Power Automate to create personalized email campaigns and flow up sequence, keeping your prospects engaged throughout the sales journey. Now, innovate with Copilot and Power Apps ideation. ideation. Use Copilot Studio's natural language processing capabilities to capture and refine your team ideas, setting the foundation for innovative solution. Second one is rapid prototyping. Leverage Power Apps to quickly build and test custom applications that address your unique business challenges, accelerating your path to implementation. Third one is deployment. Seamlessly deploy your Power Apps solution, empowering your team to work more efficiently and effectively across your organization. Okay. Now, in next slide, we are looking for elevate your customer experience with Copilot and Power virtual agents. First is conversational AI. Leverage the natural language processing capabilities of Copilot Studio to create intelligent chatbots and virtual agents, providing personalized and efficient customer support. If you make a website or if you want someone to chat with your customer in your app, in your business, then it provides a conversational AI, that is a chatbot. Basically this AI talk to your customer as a human being. They will never found out it is a AI, and answer the questions of their problem. Okay, this is very helpful for us because nobody is live for all the time. Now second is automated workflows. Integrate Power Virtual Agents with your backend systems and processes, enabling seamlessing customer interaction and streamlining your support operation. Third is continuous improvement. Analyze customer interaction and feedback to continually refine and optimize your virtual agent, delivering an expectational customer experience and set your apart from the competition. Also, you all know that customer feedback is very helpful for us. Then it analyze the customer interaction, their feedbacks, and provide us a very helpful competition. Now, in next slide, we are talking about unlock the full potential of Copilot Studio. First is Power Automate. Streamline your business, process and workflows. Power Apps. Build custom application to address unique challenges, enhance your customer. Third one is Power Virtual Agents. Experience with AI powered virtual support. Power BI. Gain developer deeper insights and make data driven decisions. Now, endless possibilities with Copilot Studios and the Power Platform. Unleash innovation. The combination of Copilot Studio AI-driven productivity features and Power Platform low-code, no-code development tools empowers your team to create custom solutions that drive innovation and growth. Second is streamline operations. In this, you can automate your business process, integrate your systems, and optimize your workflows to increase efficiency, reduce manual tasks, and free up your team to focus on strategic priorities. Basically, it provides you too much features from with the help of these features you can save your time, and you can do your ppt, your presentation, documentation, your business very easily, effectively and productivity. Now third one is enhance customer experience. Leverage the Power Platform AI and automation capabilities to deliver personalized, responsive and engaging customer experience that set you apart from the competition. Now, fourth is gain powerful insights. Harness the data driven capability of the Power Platform to generate actionable insights, make informed decisions, and drive performance across your organization. Now, your journey with Copilot Studio and the Power Platform starts now. Un- Unleash the full potential of Copilot Studio by integrating it with the powerful capabilities of Microsoft Power Platform. Streamline your business process, build custom solutions, enhance your customer experience, and gain deeper insights, all while driving innovation with growth within your organization. Take the first step towards a more productive, efficient, and competitive future with Copilot Studio and Power Platform. Now, question answers and wrap up. Thank you all for joining us today. We have covered a lot of ground from the basic of and Copilot Studio to the various ways you can leverage these tools to boost your productivity and creativity. Now, let's open the floor to any question and you may have. Our team is here to provide further guidance and address any concern you might have about using Copilot and Copilot.